In this video class, I am going to discuss about the planes. In the planes, on this topic, I am going to prepare two video classes. This is the part 1. Now, equation of a plane in normal form. To find the equation of the plane in this condition, how to get that one? Here, this is one of the plane. This is the origin. The perpendicular distance from origin to this plane, I am taking this one D. Perpendicular distance is given from origin to that plane and normal unit vector is given. This is the n cap. Normal unit vector is given. In this condition, here perpendicular distance from origin to that plane, that is D, and normal unit vector, that is n cap. In this condition, how to get the equation of the plane? So here I am taking one variable point. That one I am taking a P whose position vector with respect to origin OP bar, that is equal to R bar. Join these two. Now here I have taken ON, the distance, this one, that is equal to D. And if I want ON bar, that is equal to that distance should be, that magnitude should be multiplied by unit vector in that direction, that is n cap. ON is equal to D, the distance from here to here. So in that direction, what is the unit vector? N cap. That magnitude should be multiplied by unit vector in that direction. If you take modulus on both sides, modulus of ON bar, that is ON only. Modulus of n cap, that is 1. Why? Because n cap, there is the unit vector. Here, this is O. Now here Pn bar or Np bar. Np bar dot On bar. Both are perpendicular. Its dot product is equal to 0. Np bar minus On bar. Np bar. Both are perpendicular, so their dot product equals to 0. Np bar with respect to their position vectors, how to write that one? OP bar minus On bar dot On bar. What about On bar here? D into n cap, that is equal to 0. This is R bar minus On bar, that is D into n cap into D into n cap, that is equal to 0. D is the scalar, we can divide with the D on both sides. We can get that one. Now multiply these two. R bar dot n cap minus D into n cap dot n cap, that is 1 only. N cap, modulus of n cap whole square, modulus of n cap, that is 1. That is equal to 0. R bar dot n cap, that is equal to D. This is the equation of the plane. R bar dot n cap is equal to D. If it is the unit vector, then this one we say D is the perpendicular distance from origin to that plane. This is the vector form. To get the Cartesian form, let R bar is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, and n cap I am taking li cap plus mj cap plus nk cap. Here n cap, that is the unit vector, root of n square plus m square plus n square, that is equal to 1. Here L, M, N are the direction cosines of that unit vector. So what is the dot product of these two? Lx plus my plus nz is equal to D is there. Here what to understand here, if L, M, N are the direction cosines of that plane, here D we say that is the perpendicular distance from origin to that plane. So equation of any plane, that is in the form of, general form of the equation of the plane, Ax plus By plus Cz is equal to D. Here ABC, those are the normal ds. For equation of the plane, equation of the line, we discussed about the normal ds only. For equation of the plane, this is one of the plane. So here in different directions we can't take parallel ds we can't consider this one. So in the different directions, so many vectors are there. That's why for plane we can consider normal ds only. Normal ds, the vectors parallel to all these, all those are the normal ds of that plane only. So for equation of the plane, generally we take normal ds. For equation of the line, always we can consider parallel ds only. This is very very important. For equation of the line, always we can consider the parallel ds. For equation of the plane, always we can consider the normal ds. So any equation of the plane is given ax plus by plus cz. That is the general form of the equation of the plane. Ax plus by plus cz equals to d. Here a, b, c we say. Here what I have taken n cap, that is the normal unit vector. So after getting the equation of the plane, here you can see L, M, N. Those are the coefficients of x, y, z. Those are the DCs of that plane only, normal DCs only. So the equation of any plane, you can consider a equation of the plane ax plus by plus cz equals to d. Here x, y, z coefficient always we say normal ds of that plane. When in this condition, find the equation of the plane which is at a distance 1 by root 14 from the origin. Here d value is given 1 by root 14 from the origin and is normal to the vector. Here a normal vector is given. N bar is given. N bar that is equal to 2i cap plus j cap minus 3k cap. But here in this condition, the perpendicular distance from origin to that plane, d is given and the normal unit vector should be given. Then only we can write the equation of the plane, that is r bar dot n cap that is equal to d. If n cap, this is the normal unit vector, then only equation of the plane r bar dot n cap that is equal to d. Here d is the perpendicular distance from origin to the plane. So here normal vector is given. How to get the normal unit vector? So that vector should be divided by its modulus only or its magnitude. What is the magnitude? That one, root of 4 plus 1 plus 9. So equation of the plane, this one r bar dot, what about n cap here? 2i cap plus j cap minus 3k cap by root 14, that is equal to 1 by root 14 is given. Now this is in the form of r bar dot n cap that is equal to d. D is the perpendicular distance from origin to that plane. This is the normal unit vector. Then only we can say there is the perpendicular distance from origin to that plane. So this is the equation of the plane. I am going to simplify this one. These two gets cancelled. So r bar dot this one equals to 1. To convert into the Cartesian form, here you can take r bar equals to xi bar plus yj cap plus zk cap. Now what is the dot product of these two? 2x plus y minus 3z, that is equals to 1. This is the equation of the plane in the Cartesian form, where 2, 1, minus 3, those are the normal ds of that plane. Here equation of the plane is given. Find the distance of the plane from the origin. So actually what is the formula here? R bar dot n cap that is equal to d, or Lx plus my plus nz that is equal to d. Here L, M, N are the direction cosines. If L, M, N are the direction cosines, then only we say this is the perpendicular distance from origin to that plane. But here 2, minus 1, minus 2, those are the normal ds of that plane only. Those are not at DCs, only ds are given. So to get a DCs, each one should be divided by square root of its magnitude. Square root of 4 plus 1 plus 4, that is 3. Dividing with 3 on both sides, 2 by 3x minus 1 by 3y minus 2 by 3z, that is equals to 9 by 3. So that is a 3 only. Now here you can see L, M, N. These are the normal DCs only. If these are the DCs, then this one we say, in the vector form also, how to write this one? R bar dot n cap 2 by 3 I cap minus 1 by 3 j cap minus 2 by 3 k cap, that is equals to 3. R bar dot n cap, n is modulus, we can get 1 only. R bar dot n cap is equals to d. So this is the normal unit vector. So here the distance from origin to that plane we say 3. The equation of the plane passing through the given point and the normal vector are given. In the previous condition, what is the previous condition? Perpendicular distance from origin to that plane and the normal unit vector are given. We can find the equation of the plane, that is r bar dot n cap is equal to d. Now here this is the plane passing through the given point. I am taking A, whose position vector A bar I am taking, and the normal vector is given to the plane, that is n bar is given. In this condition, how to get the equation of the plane? You can take the normal, see here, variable point you can take P on the plane whose position vector with respect to origin, that is OP bar equals to R bar. Now this is on the plane, this is perpendicular to the plane. So here what about these two vectors? Both are perpendicular only. Let P be a point on the plane whose position vector with respect to origin OP bar, that is equals to R bar. Here already one point is given A. The position of that point with respect to origin, that is OA bar equals to A bar, and the normal vector is given. So here AP bar dot n bar, that is equals to 0. Different conditions are there. In this condition, how to get the equation of the plane? One point passing through the point and a normal vector are given. This one I can write OP bar minus OA bar dot n bar, that is equals to 0. This is R bar minus A bar dot n bar, that is equals to 0. This is the equation of the plane. Otherwise, R bar dot n bar, that is equals to A bar dot n bar. R bar dot n bar is equals to R bar dot n bar, that is equals to D. A bar dot n cap, A bar dot n bar, I am taking a D only. So R bar dot n bar, that is equals to D. That is also equation of the plane. If it is divided by its modulus on both sides, then this is the perpendicular distance. That is the normal form we say. This is the equation of the plane passing through the point and normal ds are given. Find the equation of the plane passing through the point at 2, 3, 1, having these are the drs of the normal to the plane. So here previous what we discussed, that one equation of the plane passing through the point A whose position vector A bar and normal ds are given. N bar is the normal vector. Then what we got here? R bar minus A bar, that is equal to R bar minus A bar dot N bar, that is equal to 0. Here whatever the Cartesian form of this one, here I am taking R bar equals to xi bar plus R bar is equals to, I am taking xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. A bar is equals to, I am taking x1 passing through that point, x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap. N bar I am taking, that is the normal vector only, a I cap plus b j cap plus c k cap. Now R bar minus A bar, x minus x1 plus y minus y1, R minus into I cap into j cap plus z minus z1 into k cap dot n bar, that is a I cap plus b j cap plus c k cap, that is equal to 0. Now what is the dot product of these two? a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1, that is equals to 0. This is the equation of the plane passing through the point x1, y1, z1 whose normal ds are given. So here also equation of the plane passing through the point, this is x1, y1, z1 and the normal ds are given. So a into normal ds, this one you can consider a, b, c, that is x1, y1, z1. A into 5 into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1, that is equal to 0. Here this one you can simplify, 5x plus 3y plus 2z minus 10 minus 9 minus 2 minus 21, that is equal to 0. This is the equation of the plane. Now normal form also you can write r bar minus a bar. What about a bar here? Passing through the point 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1 dot n bar 5, 3, 2, that is equal to 0. This is the equation of the plane in the vector form. This is the Cartesian form. Next, the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the origin to the plane. The foot of the perpendicular drawn from the origin to the plane. Here n is the foot of the perpendicular. That is 1, 2, minus 3. Find the equation of the plane. See here, this is the foot of the perpendicular. So, what about ON? This is the normal only, normal to the plane. What are the normal ds of that plane? Normal ds, n bar is equal to, what are the ds of a line passes through 2 points, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, 1, 2, minus 3 only. These are the normal ds of that plane, and that plane passing through the point x1, y1, z1, passing through the point. Here normal ds are given and passing through the point is given. Then what about the equation of the plane? A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1, that is equal to 0. A normal ds 1 into x minus x1 plus b y minus y1 plus c into z minus of minus 3 plus 3, that is equal to 0. And simplify this one. This is the equation of the plane. Next, one more condition. Equation of the plane passing through 3 given points. Equation of the plane passing through 3 given points. A, B, C I am taking. Whose position vectors with respect to origin? A bar, OB bar, that is equal to B bar, OC bar, that is equal to C bar. And here I am taking one variable point whose position vector with respect to origin, OP bar, that is equal to R bar. Now this is one of the point here. Now AP bar, AB bar, AC bar, all the 3 vectors are coplanar. All the 3 vectors are coplanar. If all the 3 vectors are coplanar, its box is equal to box AP bar, AB bar, AC bar, that is equal to 0. Box, here OP bar minus OA bar, R bar minus A bar, B bar minus A bar, C bar minus A bar, that is equal to 0. That is the vector form, that one. If I want Cartesian form, box ABC always, that is the determinant of R bar. I am taking x, y, z, x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap, and A bar, that is equal to, I am taking x1, y1, z1, and B bar I am taking, that is equal to x2, y2, z2, and C bar I am taking x3, y3, z3. Now here you can see R bar minus A bar, this is the first row only. R bar minus A bar, that is x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. B bar minus A bar, that is the second row, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Here x3 minus x1, c bar minus a bar, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1, determinant that is equals to 0. Substitute that values and simplify, we can get the equation of the plane. Now here, find the equation of the plane passing through the 3 points. Find the equation of the plane passing through the 3 points 2, 2, minus 1, 2, 2, minus 1 and the B point 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2 and the C point 706, 706. So Cartesian form x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, z plus 1. Next x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Next x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1, that is equal to 0. So this one you can expand and simplify, you will get a equation of the plane. Next one, the line of intersection of the planes. The line of intersection of the planes, two planes are given, is equally inclined to I cap and j cap. We have to show that one. And also find the angle it makes with the j cap. For example, this is the, here, if you open the book, here this is one of the plane and this is also one of the plane. Here middle one, this is the line of intersection of the, this is the line of intersection of these two planes only. So generally we are considering the normal ds to the plane. This is the line of intersection of the these two planes only. That line is perpendicular to both the planes. So here I am taking a n1 bar, normal ds of the second place n2 bar I am taking. So the line of intersection, that is what is the direction of the line of intersection, that is perpendicular to both n1 bar and n2 bar. What is the vector perpendicular to both n1 bar and n2 bar? Their cross product only. So the line of intersection of the two planes in the direction of the cross product of these two normal ds of both the planes only. So here, what about n1 bar? N1 bar that is equal to 3, 2, 1 and n2 bar that is equal to, sorry, this is n2 bar. What about n1 bar? 1, 2, 3. You can write any direction order, no problem. Now, what about n1 bar cross n2 bar? That is equal to determinant of I, j, k. Already we have done in the vectors. So n1 bar 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. You can expand this one. I cap into 2 minus 6 minus j cap into 1 minus 9 plus k cap into 2 minus 6. That is minus 4 I cap plus 8 j cap minus 4 k cap. So the line of intersection in this direction. Now what they are asking here is equally inclined to I cap and k cap. So n1 bar cross n2 bar. Otherwise this one you can take something b bar I am taking. So b bar dot I cap. The cos of angle between these two I am taking. Equal inclined to I cap and k cap. Now finding the angle between this one and I cap. What is the dot product of these two? Dot product of I cap, that is minus 4 upon modulus of b bar. Modulus of b bar, that is 16, 64, 16. Root 96. And what is the modulus of I cap? That is 1 only. What is the angle between b bar and k bar? That is equal to the cross product, dot product of these two. This one multiplied by k cap, dot product. So minus 4 we are getting. Here j bar dot k cap, that is 0, I bar dot k cap also, I cap dot k cap, that is also 0. If any two perpendicular, if any two vectors are perpendicular, then dot product is 0 only. Modulus of v bar, that is 96. Modulus of k bar, that is 1 only. So here also I got minus 4 by root 96. There also I got a minus 4 by root of 96. So here then line of intersection, that is makes equal angles with I cap and k cap. At the same time, what they are asking, what is the angle between, what is the angle made by this vector n1 bar cross n2 bar with j cap, b bar comma j cap. What is the dot product of this one? 8 by root 96 into modulus of j cap, that is 1 only. So here 8 by, this one I can write 16 6 are 96, square root of 16 4 root 6, 2 times root 3 into root 2, so root of 2 by 3 also we can write, root of 2 by 3. Cos theta I am taking. What about theta here? Theta is equal to cos inverse square root of 2 by 3. This is the angle made by the line of intersection with the j cap. Cos inverse of square root of 2 by 3. Here, equation of the plane passing through the point A with the position vector A bar and is parallel to the given vectors B bar and C bar. Given vectors B bar and C bar. See here, this is the plane passing through the point A whose position vector A bar is given, and that plane parallel to two vectors. Parallel vectors are given B bar C bar. B bar C bar, two parallel vectors are given. What is the vector perpendicular to both B bar and C bar? That is nothing but their cross product only. B bar cross C bar. Perpendicular to both B bar and C bar, that is nothing but B bar cross C bar. So passing through the point A bar and normal vector, one passing through the point A and normal vector are both are given. So how to write that one? Box R bar minus A bar, box R bar, B bar C bar, that is equal to 0. Otherwise, if I take any point, variable point, I am taking P whose position vector OP bar equals to R bar. So here AP bar is perpendicular to B bar cross C bar. So the dot product should be equal to 0. Here R bar minus A bar dot B bar cross C bar, that is equal to 0. Box that only. Box ABC A bar dot B bar cross C bar only. That only we got. That is the equation of the plane. Here find the vector equation of the following planes in Cartesian form. Here what I am doing, R bar equals I am taking xi bar, xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Here in the place of R bar I am taking xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Then these two can transpose this side. X minus 1 I cap plus y plus 1 into j cap plus k cap, z into k cap, that is equal to lambda into I cap plus j cap plus k cap plus mu into I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Now here I am writing one vector in terms of other two vectors. So the three vectors are linearly dependent. So the three vectors are coplanar. If they are coplanar, if the three vectors are coplanar, we can express one vector in terms of other two by multiplying with the scalars. So the three vectors are coplanar. If they are coplanar, its determinant is equal to x minus 1, y plus 1, z, 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 2, 3, that is equal to 0. If we simplify that one, we can get 5x minus 2y minus 3z plus minus 7 equals to 0. By expanding that one and simplify, we can get the equation of the plane that one. Next one, prove that the plane r bar dot, this is the equation of the plane. Equation of the plane is given and line equation also given. Line equation also given. That is passing to the point 1, 1, 0, and in what direction that one? B bar is equal to 2i cap plus j cap plus 4k cap. That is the line passing through the point 1, 1, 0 and in this vector direction, that line. So prove that the plane contains every point of this line contains that plane only. So if I write in the Cartesian form this one passing through the point 1, 1, 0, x minus x1 by, these are the parallel ds of that line only, 2, y minus y1 by 1, z minus z1 by c, 4, 2, 1, 4, parallel ds of this line, 2, 1, 4, and passing through the point x1, y1, z1. So what is the equation of the line? X minus x1 by a is equals to y minus y1 by b equals to z minus z1 by c. Now any point on this line is equals to lambda I am taking. So 2 lambda plus 1, lambda plus 1, 4 lambda, any point on this line. Any point for different values of lambda, we can get different values on that line only. Now this point, the plane containing or not, we can check that one. Here in the place of r bar, this one I am taking 2 lambda plus 1 into I cap, any point on this one. Plus lambda plus 1 into j cap plus 4 lambda into k cap, dot product with this one, I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap. Now here you can see the any point on that line. In the place of r bar, I am substituting this one and taking the dot product. Now here you can see 1 into 2 lambda plus 1 plus 2 into lambda plus 1 minus 1 into 4 lambda, that is equals to 2 lambda plus 1 plus 2 lambda plus 2 minus 4 lambda, 2 lambda, 2 lambda, 4 lambda minus 4 lambda, that is equals to 3. We are getting 3 only. So every point on this line, that plane containing only. Here find the equation of the plane which is parallel to the planes. Find the equation of the plane which is parallel to the planes. And here this one I have written wrongly. Lines, these two are the lines. Equation of the line standard form, r bar equals to a bar plus lambda b bar, passing through this point and in that vector direction. Here that is the one is vector form, another one Cartesian form is given. So here we want the equation of the plane. The equation of the plane. That plane is parallel to two lines are given. So this one I am taking a b1 bar. This is parallel to this vector 2, 1, 4, and b2 bar parallel to minus 3, 2, 1, minus 3, 2, 1. So what is the normal ds of that plane? This plane parallel to, in this plane direction only. So what is the normal to b1 bar and b2 bar? What is the vector perpendicular to both b1 bar and b2 bar? That is say, we can say b1 bar cross b2 bar only. b1 bar cross b2 bar. Now first you can find b1 bar cross b2 bar. This one we can do in two different ways. Both the ways I will say. Here b1 bar cross b2 bar. What I am taking here? IJK 2, 1, 4 and minus 3, 2, 1 If I expand this one, 1 minus 8 minus j into 4 plus 3 plus k into 4 plus 3, j 2 plus 12. This is 2 plus 12. So minus 7 I cap minus 14 j cap plus 7 k cap. That is the unit vector only. That is the unit vector. Now what about the equation of the plane? The plane passing through the point 0, 1, minus 1. A, here A, B, C. Normal vector is given and one point is given on the plane. So A into, A means minus 7, normal ds only, A into x minus x1 plus B into y minus y1 plus C into z plus 1, that is equal to 0. This one you can simplify and write in the standard form, x plus by plus cz equals to d. That is the equation of the plane. In another way, how to do this one? Here equation of the plane I am taking. Passing to the point A, 0, 1, minus 1. This is the normal vector, n bar is equal to, I am taking normal ds ABC only. And this plane is parallel to two vectors, b1 bar, that is equal to 2, 1, 2. Normal parallel ds of that line. This line, this plane parallel to both the lines. b2 bar, that is equal to minus 3, 2, 1, minus 3, 2, 1. Here we can find b1 bar plus b2 bar, that is equal to n bar. Otherwise, if I consider the normal ds of that plane ABC, here this is the vector parallel to the plane, this is normal to the plane. So what about the dot product of these two? 0 only, both are perpendicular. b1 bar dot n bar equals to 0 and b2 bar dot n bar is equals to 0. Here b1 bar is perpendicular to n bar and b2 bar also perpendicular to n bar. Why? Because n bar, that is the normal vector to the plane. These two are the parallel to the parallel vectors to the plane only. Parallel to the plane, both the vectors. Now here n bar dot b1 bar, that is equal to 0 and n bar dot b2 bar, that is equal to 0. So what will you get here? What is the dot product of these two? 2a plus b plus 2c, that is equal to 0, and minus 3a plus 2b plus c, that is equal to 0. If we get two relations, here ds are, if we get two relations, both represent same only. Here ABC, ds are in the same ratio only. Now here how to find? By taking the cross product we can find ABC only. First you can start with the B coefficient, 1, 2, 2, again end with the B coefficient only. Start with here 1, 2, 2, 1, and here 2, 1, minus 3, 2. This is A, B, C. A by product of these two minus product of these two, 1 minus 4 minus 3, that is equal to B by minus 6 minus 2 minus 8, that is equal to C by 4 plus 3, 7. So these are the normal ds we got. Equation of the plane passing through this point and normal ds. If you get two relations in between A, B, C, we can get a ds of that plane by using the cross multiplication method. So A into minus 3 into x minus x1 plus B into A, B, C, these are y minus y1 plus C into z minus z1, that is equal to 0. This is the equation of the plane. Here a small correction, here I copied wrongly. B1 bar 2, 1, 4, here 4, 2 I have written, 2, 1, 4, minus 3, 2, 1, this is okay, here I copied wrongly. Now 2a plus b plus 4c minus 3a plus 2b plus c, that is equal to 0. Here I am doing the once again this one. 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 1, minus 3, 2, A, B, C. A by 1 minus 8 minus 7, B by minus 12 minus 2 minus 14, C by 4 plus 3, that is 7. 7 minus 7 minus 14, 7 we got. So equation of the plane minus 7 into x minus x1. Otherwise, if you want, you can write in the simplest form also. 1, 2, minus 1 also you can write. Each one divided by minus 7. So a into 1 into x minus x1 passing to the point that one, plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z plus 1, that is equal to 0. Otherwise, if you want, you can write minus 7 minus 14, 7. Here also you can divide with minus 7. We can get the same thing only. This is the equation of the plane. Next, intercept form. Equation of the plane, intercept form. In the two-dimensional geometry also, how to find the two intercept form? What is that one? X by a plus y by b equals to 1. Here x, y, z. Cutting the x axis at a 0, 0 and cutting the y axis at 0, b 0 and cutting the z axis at 0, 0, c. Join these three. This is the plane passing through the 3 points. Here previous also I told you equation of the plane passing through three points. You can take the variable point p. Here a, b, c. If I take the variable point p whose position vector with respect to origin OP bar, that is equal to R bar. Now AP bar, AB bar, box AP bar, AB bar, AC bar, that should be equal to 0. Now that is the determinant only. Here R bar, OP bar, that is R bar. We are taking R bar, that is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. OP bar minus OA bar, x minus a, y minus 0, z minus 0. Next to x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1, that is equal to 0. Starting, I told you the equation of the plane passing through 3 points. X minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1, that is equal to 0. Now here you can expand x minus a into bc minus y into minus ac plus z into plus ab, that is equal to 0. Here I am dividing with the abc on both sides. abc, abc, abc. So x minus a by a plus minus into minus plus y by b plus z by c, that is equal to 1. Here you can write separately x by a minus a by a, that is 1 plus y by b plus z by c, that is equal to 1. So x by a plus y by b plus z by c, that is equal to, sorry, here 0 is there, minus 1 you can transpose that side. So if any equation of the plane is given, always you can to get the coefficient term 1, constant term, to get the constant term 1, we can divide with the d only. So x by a plus y by b plus z by c equals 1. Here a is the x-intercept. The plane cuts the x-axis at a 0, 0. Cutting the y-axis at 0, b 0. Cutting the z-axis at 0, 0, c. This is the intercept form. If any equation of the plane is given, we can find intercepts like this one. Next, if a plane meets the coordinate axis at a, b and c, meets the coordinate axis a 0, 0 I am taking, cut the y axis at b 0, b 0 and cut the z axis at c 0, 0, c. Now what is the centroid? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, a by 3, b by 3, c by 3. That is the centroid. Here what they given? 1 to 4. Here a is equal to 3. By equating both the y coordinates, b is equal to 6, c is equal to 12. Here a, b, c are the A is the x-intercept, B is the y-intercept, C is the z-intercept. Then what about the equation of the plane? X by A plus y by B plus z by C, that is equal to 1. Otherwise, if I take the LCM, 4x plus 2y plus z, that is equal to 1. So 4x plus 2y plus z, that is equal to 12. That is the equation of the plane whose centroid 1 to 4. And cut the x-axis at 3, 0, 0, cut the y-axis at 0, 6, 0, cut the z-axis at 0, 0, 12. Thank you. In the next video class, we can discuss some more concepts. Thank you.